Miui 12.0.2.0 stable version is finally available for Redmi Note 8, and it's not a GSI, it's not a ported home, it's officially available for Redmi Note 8 users. If you're using Redmi Note 8 Ginkgo device and you have an unlocked bootloader, you have a custom recovery, you can install this stable Miui 12 right now on a device which is Miui 12.0.2 stable version. Actually, it's a China stable, it's not India stable. If you're waiting for India stable build, you might need to wait little bit more because India stable is not released yet, but still it's better than if you're getting China beta every day. And now we finally have a stable version, so yes, it's a very beautiful thing. How you can install this build on your Redmi Note 8 running device and which are the things you get here, because China stable always lacks some features if you compare it with the China beta. So which are the things missing, and if it is really great, let's find out in this video. So guys, as you can see, finally we have an Android 10 based Miui 12 officially available for Redmi Note 8 users with the September security patch. And if you talk about the full screen gestures, it's perfectly fine here. The floating window is missing from here. As you can see, it has a split screen option, but the floating window is missing from here. But yes, we may see in the India stable version or some upcoming stable versions very soon, but this time it's not available there. Also, let me show you, if we talk about your quick settings, we have the control center finally available as a Redmi Note 8 user. And if you are eagerly waiting for Miui 12 stable version, yes, control center is perfectly fine here, perfectly working and without even lags and without any slowness. It's perfectly super fine. But still, I will recommend you, as Redmi Note 8 is not a flagship device, it's a mid-range device, so I will recommend you not to use the control center, because in some cases if you have a deep sleep on your device, you might get some lags in the control center, and through the control center you might face a little bit lags on your device also. But yes, we have a little bit of features missing also if we talk about. And now if we have disabled the control center, this is a normal Miui 11 control center which looks better than the normal control center. But yes, if you want to fulfill your dream of using the control center on your Xiaomi device, yes, you can use that right now. Other things, we have almost same kind of things, and full screen gestures are perfectly fine. The animations are very smooth. This is the stable version, this is not the beta version, so that's a very interesting thing. You just need a zip file for that and you can install this build right now on your device. This is China stable, and we have almost every Chinese thing is available, like the theme store which is fully in Chinese themes, wallpaper, dynamic wallpaper, ringtones, fonts and icons, and everything is available which you can customize on your device. It's a stable build, so don't expect any bugs, any major bugs. At least might be some little bit of bugs, but I didn't found any major bugs at all, any minor bug till now. We have this games option available, which I will recommend you to uninstall. If you want to use get apps, I will still recommend you to uninstall these kind of things. This is a bloatware which you should uninstall right now on your device, including this Me Wallet services and feedback, because that's not perfectly fine. Okay, you should uninstall this if you are an Indian user. These apps are already banned here. And if you want to debloat your Xiaomi device, I have a video on that how you can debloat that, so just go and debloat your MIUI right now. Moving on to some features which you get here. I already told you have some features missing from here. We have the double tap to wake and double tap to turn off screen option available. That's a very interesting thing. Sleep option and everything which is available, which was available in China beta also. Display is a reading mode, the dark mode. So yes, the MIUI 12 has dark mode officially available for Redmi Note 8 users also. System font, text size, etc. you can customize. Hide notch, use new control center. But yes, if you are seeing, we have the switch control side option missing from here, which you might need. Yes, I sometimes use that feature because I need control center from this side in my case, but this time I don't like that. So this is the latest thing which is missing from here. Talking about the notifications, have the lock screen notifications, floating notifications and notification badges, and by default the notification shade will be the MIUI type of thing, but choose the Android one, because through Android notification bar you can reply your notifications directly from the notification bar. But it was an MIUI by default, and I got some little bit of difficulties there, so I'll recommend you to choose the Android style notifications because that looks better. home screen have a very cool kind of things. Swipe down on the home screen and swipe up on the home screen. I didn't got this feature was available in all China beta, and this is available in the China stable version, which looks very interesting. Swipe down on the home screen and swipe up on the home screen. That's a very cool kind of thing. If you want to choose the app drawer option, you can choose that one also. So yes, app drawer is finally functionally available, and now you can see the swipe up on the home screen option is disabled because we are using the app drawer option. And you can choose the background to light, and you can choose these plays new apps on the home screen. And now yes, we can officially use the app drawer on our Xiaomi device Redmi Note 8, which is very fast right now, and every perfect thing is perfectly fine here. Nothing to worry about. And install this build right now on a device. How you can install this? We talk about the features. It has perfectly same features like all the China beta builds, has all the China features. And if you want to install Google Play Store and these kind of apps, the link for that video is in the description, or you can search on my YouTube channel. You'll find that easily. Now let's move to the installation, which are the things you need for the installation and how you can install this build right now on your Xiaomi device. Let me show you by going into my Mi Explorer. First of all, I have that build in my this folder. This one is the file which you need. Miui V12.0.2.0 QCOCNXM and these kind of things .zip. Just boot into custom recovery. Guys, unlock your bootloader and boot into custom recovery. You must need a custom recovery to install this latest Miui 12 China stable build on your Redmi Note 8 device. And by booting into custom recovery, I recommend you to choose the Orange Fox custom recovery for sure. Now just go to the wipe section, Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. These 5 things you need to wipe. You can wipe your internal storage also, but it's not compulsory to just swipe to wipe, but still take a backup because we need to format data for that. Wipe all your partitions which are necessary, which I just told you, and after that just locate your file where it is available. In my case, it's in my SD card. It is Miui V12.0.2.0. Just click this one and swipe to install. After that, format data and reboot. Everything else is fine. So this was all from today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.